Hey everybody, Stampin' Sue Creates here. I want to welcome you. If you're a new subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. And I'm taking a break. Whew. Since my mom passed, I am making a huge decision to clean out. My mother was very organized. So when it was time to clean out her apartment, and we needed to find things, it was so easy to find things. I have so much crap. I mean, crap. Stamping, crafting, Dollar Treeing, crap. And I'm a bit of a hoarder when it comes to my craft supplies because I just can't let them go. And then more keeps coming in the house. And then, I mean, wow, yeah. So I just spent the last, I don't even know what time it is, but the last hour or so, and because tomorrow's my trash day, and I have boxes of boxes that I cleaned out, and a huge trash bag, which I hope they take it, because it's really busting. And I just decided after all of that, I'm taking a break, and I am doing an unboxing. Yeah, more boxes. Oh, I know. Sorry, I'm a little nuts, because it's just like, yeah. Okay, I'm done. All right, let's open this box. Oh, yes. Well, there's no mail today because it's President's Day, so happy President's Day to everyone. Those of you that were fortunate enough to have the day off and didn't have to go to work, I hope you enjoyed your day. That did not stop UPS from delivering. Those poor men in brown. They brought this box, and they brought new car mats for my my new vehicle that I bought. I didn't think it had car mats in it, but when I went to put these in, I realized, yeah, it does have car mats. But I got those rubber ones so that I put it on top. Because with the snowy and icy weather here in Pennsylvania, I mean, it was already wreaking havoc on the inside. And this paper you don't need to see. I made that decision. And look at this bubble wrap. I'm doing this A to Z technique book, and one of them is with bubble wrap, but this is kind of big. But who knows? I don't know. I mean, they gave me enough of it. What do y'all do with this stuff? Anybody? Besides my cat loving it. All right, let me get this stuff out of here. And then I can get rid of another box. I'm already in my robe and that, so I don't think I'll be well, maybe I will. Who knows? Maybe I'll go back out in my robe. Who cares? Right? Okay. All right. So here we are. What did I get? Well, what I got was one of the benefits of being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is that you can order things before they come out to the public. However, this already came out to the public. Yeah, I'm batting 1,000 here. I apologize for my silliness. It must have been the overabundance of craft supplies that I found. So, right now, as you know, we're going through Sale-a-Bration, and they provided me with this lovely brochure, and it runs through March 31st, and they added some new products for Sale-a-Bration. So that's what this little brochure is for. Some of the products that are already available, which, looking for a pen. You know how it is, crafter. We have no pens. All right, never mind. We'll do that later. The ribbon, unfortunately, is already sold out, and just got notification that Grapefruit Grove and Lovely Lipstick Foil Sheets are already sold out. But we still have plenty of stamp sets, plenty of other things. But this is a folder of new products. So it's kind of like, oops, sorry they sold out, but they are as supplies are, available. But now we're bringing you some more stuff. And Dory's enjoying the bubble wrap, by the way, on the floor. So if you hear anything, it's her. We have a new stamp set coming out, all adorned. Well, we have it. It's out. It started on the 15th of February, and today is what? The 18th. So this works fabulous with the Stamparatus. I didn't get it. I didn't get this stamp set. But this is with a $50 purchase. You can get this for free. And it does amazing things with Stamparatus. Then we also have a new Country Flora Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder. That is free with a $50 purchase. Then we have a bundle. This is the Painted Seasons bundle. This bundle comes with a stamp set and designer series paper. that coordinates with the stamp set. And this is with a $100 order. You can choose that for your free celebration. And look at those stamps, how they're made. I can't wait to start playing with it. I've been seeing a lot of other demonstrators doing things with it. Then we also have all of these items that are available except for the foil sheets and the ribbon and items here. And I was hearing that the Precious Parcel card kit was getting a low supply, and I believe the Butterfly Designer Series paper might be on back order. But I'm telling you, when you see something and you want it and you love it and you got to have it, don't wait. So this is the $100 bundle, is with the paper and the stamp set. So let's take a look at that. And then we're going to be having something else. There's just so much happening with Stampin' Up. And I'm telling you, if you've been on the fence of joining, please don't wait. Do it now, because you get like 75, I think it's $75 more worth. Ooh, did they tell me this here? Oh, they probably don't tell me this here. But anyhow, for their $99 kit, I believe you get $175 worth of product. And you can choose these free things for your free product. I mean, really. So anyhow, I'm excited. Painted Seasons Designer Series paper. Look at these mushrooms. And they coordinate with the stamp set. So they're double-sided. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. We get 3 sheets, and there's 4 different ones. So this corresponds with the stamp here. And we get 3 of those. And look at the back. It's just as pretty. And then, oh my goodness, this one has to be my favorite. And this corresponds with this flower right here. I love this. Oh. So we get 3 of those. And then we have this one. So it's kind of like all seasons. And this one, look at the pine cone. And then, I don't know if this is like a, it either looks like a fern or some kind of piney thing. It resembles this little thing. So then you get 3 of those. So 4 different ones, Painted Seasons, all the different seasons. You must add this to your freebie list. I'm telling you, you just got to do it. Okay, so here is the embossing folder. Oh, when I saw this. Now, here's a little tidbit if you didn't know this. This is one of those thicker embossing folders. So in order to get, oh, something stuck on me. The label. In order to get your best, and here it is up close. It's going to be hard to tell with the folder, but look at that. Oh. But this is one of those thicker ones. Okay, so you're only going to use your base and your clear acrylic plate. But in order to get the best, I'm trying to see if you can, no, that's not doing it. To get the best impression is, before you run your cardstock through, take it and mist it with a little bit of water or alcohol and run it through, and you will get even a deeper impression. But wow, look at the thickness of that. And something new Stampin' Up! Is doing, they're putting this little line here down at the bottom, so you could, it helps you to align it up. But, oh, I can't wait to play with that. This one is for free with a $50 order, so that you can, it's affordable. I realize $100 is a lot, but I mean, you're getting a lot for it. Then something coming out starting March 1st. I know there's a lot coming out. I mean, it's overwhelming for myself as well. They're having a Sale-a-Bration coordination. Whew. And what that is going to be, like most of the stamp sets that you earn for free during Sale-a-Bration, so like the cupcake, the frog, a lot of those kinds of things. I'll have that all posted on my website, trust me. Along with the Painted Seasons, they are coming out with framelits that will cut out all those images. And you don't have to earn those. Those you can purchase as of March 1st. But of course, if you're a demonstrator or you sign on to be a demonstrator, you can get them now. That's going to be from March 1st through the end of March. And where does this open? Up until the end of March, or again, as supplies are limited, because they're going to fly out of here because everybody earned all those free stuff. And everybody's going to want to get those dies to cut out all those stamped images. So there's also going to be a storybook punch coming out too, really fun punch. So this corresponds with the stamp set, the Painted Seasons. And notice they give you like 2 of these, 2 of those. They give you 1, 2, 3 of those. So you can stamp this like 3 times and run it through. And all of these dies will cut out these images. So that's going to be in March, the Sale-a-Bration coordination. So it's like coordinating products that go with it. So this is the 4-season framelit dies. So you can, you know, get all these products right now except for the dies. That will be March 1st. And of course, I qualified for a Sale-a-Bration. See, as demonstrators, we get Sale-a-Bration items too. So with my $50 purchase, I chose this one, Home to Roost. I have a thing, I like roosters. I don't know what it is, but I like the sayings. Enjoy the simple moments. Thanks for your friendship. Just a note, missing you. And then this little, I don't know what you want to call it. They're like weeds with little flowers on it. And this is a red rubber stamp set. So, and this is a cling. So this is one of those new cling mounts. So when I'm going to do a video and I'm going to demonstrate and show you all about the cling mount stamp sets. And the Painted Season is a cling mount stamp set. And you might think, oh, they're those ones you have to use the acrylic blocks. Yeah, but these are the stickers that you put on. You're going to definitely want to put them on. You know how in the past I don't? But these, the sticker on them is so super sticky that when you put that on your acrylic block, that will not fall off. You have to be careful taking it off too. So look forward to an upcoming video on that, along with my fun A to Z technique books that I'm doing. Have you checked that out lately? I'm doing a fun, if you haven't, doing a fun book with A to Z techniques, and I am uploading a couple at a time as I do them. And that's a lot of fun, and I'm getting a big response from that. People are loving it, so be sure to check that out. So anyhow, I'm going to go take that other box out to the recycle on the curb for tomorrow. And I'm going to go sit and have myself well, my coffee got a little cold from working, but I'm going to warm that puppy up, and I'm going to go sit, relax, put my feet up, and just enjoy the evening. So I hope you do too. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you back here again real soon. And if you're interested in ordering, head on over to www.stampinsucreates.stampinup.net. And I'd love for you to join my Sweet Bee Stampers team. We have a lot of fun. We do a lot of stuff. We're going to do a lot more stuff. So come and join us. Save, get a discount, save, get these products now. It's a win-win situation. All right, just remember, I told you so. When it's over, it's over. But all right, everybody, I'm silly. I'm gonna head out. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.